Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, then initiate the connection. Make sure the PC and target display share the same Wi-Fi network. If possible, use Ethernet for stability. Update GPU and wireless drivers so protocols like Miracast or AirPlay work. Next, enable the target's discovery mode, and on Windows, open Settings, right arrow System, right arrow projecting to this PC, or launch the Connect app. Once done, move to the PC's cast or display settings and choose the target device to begin. Now you'll establish the mirror and tune settings for best results. From Windows, open Action Center, click Project, then connect to a wireless display. On Mac OS, use AirPlay in the menu bar. After the link is active, go to Display Settings to set resolution, scaling, and orientation so text and windows remain sharp. Choose Duplicate to mirror exactly or Extend to expand workspace. Also make sure the system audio output is set to the target if you want sound routed to the display. Finish by confirming stability and addressing common issues. If the session drops or lags, first check that firewall or antivirus hasn't blocked casting ports and that both devices have current firmware. If problems persist, restart the PC's wireless adapter and reboot the display or receiver. This clears stale network states. As a last resort, use a wired HDMI connection when latency, color shifts, or unsupported protocols prevent acceptable performance. This trades mobility for reliable, low-latency output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.